Over 50, carrying extra weight, low energy, brain fog, and staring at a stranger in the mirror? They told you it's normal. I call it a story that sold you short. No magic pill, no maze of rules. Your best years, they're not behind you. They're waiting. One choice starts it. Go carnivore.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click to subscribe now so you won't miss any coming attractions, and ding the bell. It really helps grow small channels like ours.
Become your own health expert with a 30, 60, or 90-day challenge. Not a quick fix. A reset. Aches, pains, fog, that slow, steady decline. What if the narrative you've been sold isn't the one you have to live? Fuel your body with real, nutrient-dense food, and watch energy, mood, and confidence come back online. Pick your path. 30 to test, 60 for real shifts, 90 to transform body and mind. Get baseline labs before you start. Check again after. Use data and how you feel, not the scale alone. Imagine, rested mornings, steady energy, no afternoon crash. Play without feeling winded. This is your new beginning. Go carnivore. Let's make you the expert of you. Here's how. You've outsourced your health, experts, guidelines, quick fixes, counting, measuring, choking down foods you hate. Fire the so-called experts. Hire a new one. Yourself. No degree needed. Just pay attention. Hunger, energy, mood, aches, digestion, your daily data. Stop obeying dogma. Start listening to you. Track what you feel and what you eat. Shift from passive patient to active participant. You are the scientist and the subject. Forget the pyramid, the low-fat craze, the cereal aisle wars. Let your results do the talking. Collect your own data. Connect the dots. Build health on lived reality. Now, the simple plan that makes this easy. The 30-60-90 Gyo Carnivore Challenge. A simple, powerful reset. The Carnivore Challenge. No maze of rules. Radical simplicity. 30 to start, 60 to deepen, 90 to transform. Give your body time to adapt and heal. Eat only from the animal kingdom. Meat, fish, eggs, animal fats, ribeye, ground beef, roasts, brisket, nutrient powerhouses, bioavailable protein, B12, iron, zinc. Add fatty fish, DHA, EPA for brain and inflammation. Eggs, nature's multivitamin, crispy skinned poultry for fat. Use butter, tallow, lard, stable, delicious energy. Skip industrial oils, canola, soy, corn, sunflower. Cut sugar, processed carbs, seed oils. Eliminate plants during the test. Short-term elimination to discover how good you can feel. 30 days, fat loss, less bloat, better energy, you prove you can. 60, cravings fade, deeper well-being. 90, mental clarity sharpens, confidence becomes unshakable. After a week or two, add intermittent fasting, not punishment, just a meal window. Start with 16-8, fast 16 hours, eat at 8, dinner at 6. First meal at 10. During the fast, water, black coffee, plain tea. Carnivore satiety makes fasting easy. Insulin falls when you're not eating. You switch from sugar burning to fat burning. Fat cells release stored energy. Autophagy, internal housekeeping. Lower inflammation, improved cellular function. Many settle into 2 meals or even 1 naturally. Eat when hungry, stop when full. Break constant snacking, let digestion rest. Unlock steadier energy and metabolic health. Now, what to expect in your body and your labs. In the first 30 days, real changes show up. Stubborn waistline starts to move. That 3 p.m. crash? History. Fat-fueled energy is steady, not spiky. Joints calm, digestion settles. Cut seed oils, sugar, plant irritants, put out the fire. Feeling better makes you move more, momentum builds, clothes fit, mindset lifts. Get labs before you start, and at 90 days. Fasting insulin, fasting glucose, A1C, triglycerides, HDL, and the TG-HDL ratio. HSCRP, many start high. After 90 days, it often drops. LDL may rise. Consider the whole picture. Lower triglycerides, higher HDL, lower insulin, lower inflammation. With before and after labs, you're not just saying you feel better, you can show it. Have informed conversations with your doctor. Now let's talk about the upgrade most people don't expect, your mind. Switch to fat and ketones and the brain runs cleaner. Fog lifts, focus deepens, memory sharpens. Protein and animal fat support serotonin and dopamine. Mood steadies, anxiety eases. After 90 days, cravings quiet, palate resets, you have a clean slate. Stay strict or reintroduce slowly, 1 food at a time. Test 1 item, observe 48 hours. Joints, digestion, energy, skin. This is freedom from disease, meds, low energy, and food obsession. 2 paths, slow decline or renewal, strength, vitality. Commit today, 30, 60, or 90 days. Do it for you, your family, your future. Take before photos, get baseline blood work. Take that first step. Trust the process. Steak, fish, eggs, animal foods. Let results speak. When energy soars, pain fades, and your mind is clear, trust yourself. You are the expert now. Pick your challenge. Go carnivore. Become your own health expert. Subscribe for more guidance, and start your challenge today.